What's up guys, it's Shereé and I actually wanted to play with some makeup today. I am actually going to be playing with the new eyeshadow palette that I picked up the day after Christmas. It's the Lustrous shadow palette by Makeup Forever. I'm so excited to try it out. It's kind of going to be a pain because it doesn't have a mirror. So I'm going to have to hold the palette and this handheld mirror in order to be able to see what I'm doing to film this video for you today. So please bear with me. But the first thing that I did was I set my eyelids with this Urban Decay primer potion. It is my favorite. It's the best for oily skin in my opinion. And so I've already primed my lids and I'm ready to get into some shadows, okay? So I'm trying to decide what I actually want to do. Part of me wants to use that red, but then I'm kind of feeling those purples as well. So what do I want to do? I think I'm going to go ahead and give these purples a shot. So here we go. The first color that I'm going to pick up is actually going to be this taupey brown color here. I'm going to take that and just use it as an all over the lid color to set my primer potion. Right off the bat, these shadows are super easy to blend out, so I really appreciate that. The next color I'm going to go into is this color right here. It's a brown color and it's right next to that purple. And I'm going to put that in the crease of my eye using the same brush. Okay, so now it's time to mess around with these purples, and so I'm actually going to take this purple shade right here and I'm going to lay it down on the outer half of my lid. Actually, you know, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a halo, so I'll go ahead and put it on both sides of my lid. Now that I have that on there, I'm going to actually go back in with that fluffy brush I had before and I'm going to blend this color with the color that's in my crease. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with that shimmery shade, which is this purple shimmery shade right there. And I'm going to put that on the center of my lid. Using my finger first, because generally shimmery shades do better for me that way. I'm not getting a lot of pigment, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is spray my brush and use a brush to apply it. See if that makes a difference. Alright, so now that I have that color in the center, I'm going to go ahead and take that same fluffy brush and I'm going to just try to blend the edges of it with that other purple shade that's underneath. It's not as shimmery as I thought it was going to be, but it's actually pretty. So I will leave it alone. But I'm going to go ahead and move down to the lower lash line. And for the lower lash line, I'm actually going to do something a little different. I'm going to take this gold color here and see what that looks like on the lower lash line. Okay, I like the way that looks, but I'm going to go ahead and add some brown to that gold on the outer edge and see what that looks like. I love playing in makeup. I never really know what I'm going to do until I get into it, but it's cool. I actually really like the way that brown looks, so I'm going to carry it above the lash line. I like that. That's so pretty. Okay, so now for this inner corner, I'm actually going to use this shimmery lighter gold color here. And I'm going to pop that on the inner corners of my eye, assuming I can find the brush I want to use. Oh yes, here we go. Alright, so now it's time for some mascara. And I'm going to go in with my Tarteist mascara that I'm loving these days. I don't know why I haven't really been feeling liner lately. Probably because I don't want to take the time to put it on. Oh my gosh, this mascara is hitting. I love it so much. It's so good. see what this mascara did to my eyelashes? I mean, I never wear falsies because I don't know how to apply them, but I love a good mascara that's gonna make me look like I have a little bit of a falsie situation going on. And yes, I love this mascara. All right, so this is my look. I'm gonna zoom out so that we can see what it looks like from afar. Yeah, so this is my look. I hope you liked it. If you liked this video, please do give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I have lots of new makeup that I'm going to be playing with for the next few weeks, and I will do my best to film as I try them out. A quick little review about this palette. What I want to say is that these shadows, they blend out really nicely. I do love the colors in the pan. I'm a little disappointed with this shimmer shade here because it wasn't as vibrant as I thought it was going to be. It doesn't really look like it would be though in the pan, to be perfectly honest. It's just a light shimmer, and for most people that will be perfect. I think that this can be a good palette for every day. It could be a good palette for work if you work in an office or such. It's not like so wild over the top with the color that you can't get away with wearing this every day, and it's also got enough pops of color for you girls like me that like to show out. So yeah, in my opinion, this is a really good palette. It was on sale the day after Christmas, so I assume that it's still on sale. So anyways, if you don't have one of these, you should check them out. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel.